Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to put line number using Lineno package. I am using Text Studio IDE, and in this IDE I will use article document template to create a new document. In this document I will put line numbers using Lineno package. So here is my document, and I used package blind text to create random text in document. So after blind text we can see the texts are generated. Now to put line number we have to use package Lineno and command line numbers. So this command will start printing line numbers in document. After, let us put some more text. So we can see here the line numbers are getting started from this section. Let's make another section and name it ending line numbers. So next session has started, but 9 numbers are still there. So if we want to end line numbers or stop printing line, we have to use command no line numbers. No line number command start printing new numbers. So after this the line numbering is ended, and before next blind text no term come. And if we want to restart the line numbers, we have to use that command once again. So we put in. So let's make another section. Name it restarting line numbers, and use the command line numbers to restart. So putting this command will again start numbering, and we will get number in the third section. First section we had started, in second section we ended, and in third section once again we have the line numbers. But as you can see, the line numbers we have in the third section, it was continuation of the first. Where the line numbering ended in first section, same thing was continued in another section. Now if we want to reset the line numbers, we have to use reset line number command. So this command will reset line numbering again to 1. So in this fourth section we can say it is from 1 2 3 4. So this line number resetting can be done arbitrary in anywhere in the document. With this command, if we put reset line number, this number will be reset, and after this reset line number command, if we put any arbitrary number as parameter, then that parameter will be used to reset new number. So I put 4 here, and line numbers are again reset from 21 to 4, and 4 5 6 7 it is increasing. So line in summary, we use line number to start, no line number to end, and now reset. As we have seen that all 9 numbers are printed on left side only, and if we use command write line numbers, so all 9 numbers are getting printed on left side by default. And to use right side, to use numbering at right side, we have to use command. That command is used here, write line numbers. So if we want to again switch to left side, so we have to change it. Let's copy this section once again, and from right to again left side, and this time we will use command left line numbers. This will set up line numbers to left side. So here in the document we have seen at left side, in the right side it was switched, and when we used left side command it's again returned to left side. Now we have done left side and right side, and sometimes we doesn't want to print numbering at every line. Instead we skip some line. Here in the putting the line numbers, we can do it in if we want to put line number, we can do it in environment. In the environment we can environment will start numbering and end numbering. So in the line number environment we put a blind text, and we can see it can work normally. So begin line, inside begin line number the numbering is put there. So here is that. And if we put a star in this environment, so after line number we put a star and it is reset. So resetting the numbers can be done by using environment also. Now we can print from modulo line numbers. So modulo line numbers is that we want to print line after some steps. So here we put a command modulo line numbers 4. So in modulo line number 4 we put the number will be printed at every fourth place. So here we can see first 4 printed, then 8, then 12, then 16. In the 3 are not printed. If we want to switch back, we can use modulo line number 1. So modulo 4th was printed, now it again back to normal. So we saw many things. If we want to put line numbering inside a box, we have some special thing. First let us create a box. So let's make the section line numbers inside the box. Now I will use par box, and I will make a par box inside a f box and put some blind text inside it. So a box will be created at the end. Let's right align it, and here is the. Now if we want to put numbering inside this box, so in first side before the blind text inside the par box we will use another command. So this command is named internal line numbers. So in the case of internal line numbers, the line number is put in the element, and here if we want to reset we can use reset line number command. So line is reset here.